In the time it takes you to make coffee, you can have a real Shopify store sitting in front of you. Not a blank template, an actual store with products on the shelves, written descriptions, product images, collections, and a homepage that already looks like a real brand. I'm going to show you how to build one from scratch in this video using AI, and again, it's going to take about 10 minutes. So if you've been putting off starting your store because the setup felt like too much, I want you to watch this, because the part that used to take people a whole weekend is the part the AI does for you now. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and on this channel, we make Shopify simple and doable, even if you've never sold a single thing online before. Let me show you what we're working with, because the way most people build a store is exactly why most people never finish one. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the old way. You sign up for Shopify, you stare at an empty store, and then you start the long part. You write a product title, you write a description, you find or make a product image, you set a price, then you do that again for the next product and the next one, and you still haven't even touched your homepage or the collections or how the whole thing looks together. Most people get about 3 products in, feel exhausted, and then give up. The store never launches, and it's not that they were lazy, it's just the boring setup work sits right at the front before you ever get to the fun part of actually running a business. So again, what we're going to do today is flip that completely. Instead of building every piece by hand, we let the AI store builder do the heavy first draft, and then you can go in and make your adjustments. The tool that I'm going to be using today is called Storebuild.ai, and the whole idea is that you tell it what you want to sell and it generates the store for you. That way you're not starting from a blank page anymore, you're starting from a finished rough draft, which is a completely different feeling. Okay, now let's walk through how to do this. So what you're going to want to do is use our exclusive link down in the description below to go ahead and get started. So once you click the store build link down below, what you can do is you're going to start by picking your niche. Okay, so it could be clothing, pets, tech, home, sports. I'm going to go ahead and select pets. Okay, now we're just going to enter in a name, an email, and a phone number. Go ahead and claim the store. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and, okay, now we need to create our Shopify. So again, we have a link down below. Make sure you use the same email. Then you'll go ahead and enter in your card information. The first 3 days are free, and then it's $1 a month for the next 3 months. So now you can try the basic, grow, or the advanced. I'm just going to stick with the basic. Cool. Now that we have created our store, we're going to accept the Shopify invitation. Cool. Now, as you can see, Storebuild.ai is right in here, so we'll just continue in here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and click pets. Then what we'll do is select the banner style that we like. We'll go with this one. Save and continue. Then we need to install ZenDrop, which is free. Go ahead and install. This is for drop shipping. Okay, now you just have to add a payment method on. Now we'll just click activate, approve. You won't be charged anything, just FYI. Okay, now what we have to do, now we'll go ahead and customize our store. Okay, so now we've got our banner, we've got our products, we've connected ZenDrop. So that means 10 trending products will be added to our store. Now it's customizing our store. Okay, so now as it's customizing, I just want to tell you what it's doing for us. So the AI is at work and it's building out multiple products for the niche that we specifically picked. For each one, it writes a full product title, full product description that actually sounds like marketing copy and not a robot. It generates product images so your store doesn't look empty. Then it groups those products into collections so a shopper can browse by category instead of scrolling through a random pile. It also lays out homepage with the banner and sections so the front of your store actually looks intentional. All of that in one pass. So again, we are over here just telling it automatic ball launcher. It's going to analyze product requirements, create a professional landing page. Now we'll go ahead and select the palette. Actually, we're going to go energetic. Okay, so who is our audience? Active pet owners. Okay, here we go. Now it created this in one go, okay? As you can see, it's got images, it's got the buy now, shipping information, return policy. It's even got what customers say, why choose us, see the difference, okay? Even like question or features over here, okay? If you want to edit anything, you can go ahead and do that. All you have to do is go ahead and click publish and you are good to go, okay? Then again, whenever you want to add more products, you'll just go ahead and you can search, right? Maybe it's portable 2-in-1 dog hair dryer, the suction ball interactive toy, okay? There's bundles you can create, and again, you can do all of this in Store Build super easily, and it makes a very professional looking page. So it's really powerful. Okay, so now you saw exactly how to build a Shopify store using Storebuild and how easy it is to let the AI help you do it for you. To let the AI just do it for you, you want to go in, you want to edit, you want to make sure that it feels in alignment with your brand, but that's how easy it is. You already have a real live product because it's sourced from Zendrop, okay? I do want to quickly touch on the different plans and pricing options. So you can go ahead and build that for free, but you do need a Shopify account. So like I said, you can get the first 3 days free and then $1 a month for 3 months using our link down below. You can pay monthly or yearly, but you're going to get the best price possible using the yearly. So after the free trial is up and after the $1 a month for the 3 months is up, the basic plan is $29 per month, billed annually. With this, you can sell online and in person. Card rates are the highest, but still competitive, millions of tokens and more. Then the Grow plan is $79 per month, and this is for small teams. You get everything in the basic. Card rates do decrease a bit, and you get 5 staff accounts. Then the Advanced plan is $299 per month, paid annually, and this is for global reach. So everything is the same, but you get more staff accounts, and you can tailor your store by region. The card rates do decrease again as well. Lastly is the Plus plan, and this is for complex businesses. So you can try it for $399, and then it starts at $2,300 a month from there. You get everything in the advanced, unlimited staff accounts. The card rates are the most competitive, fully customized checkout, and so much more. So depending on where you're at in business depends on the type of plan that you'll actually need. What's nice is they allow you to grow with it. You don't have to pay for the Plus plan when you really only need the basic. Okay, so you have completely built a store with just a few simple prompts. It's so easy. It generates products, descriptions, images, collections. You connected it to Shopify, so everything lives exactly in there. Again, I always want to say this. You always want to go in, fix the copy, and make sure everything matches your vibe, okay? Your brand vibe and energy. So if you want to build yours, again, that Storebuild.ai link and Shopify are both down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. If this helped you finally feel like starting a store is actually doable, hit that like and subscribe button for more Shopify walkthroughs that keep it super simple. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.